We don't usually film on this day, but like,
I know.
you know, our schedule is all
Crazy.
wacky, so.
There's nobody in here. Look at this. It's empty. It's great.
So yeah, we're hype. I think they reset some hard ones because they're still doing the league sets, I think.
They still are? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm seeing some numbers over there.
Okay. Nowadays, we just
Yeah.
boulder and that's it. We used
So-
to be creative kind of with the stuff, and now we just sort of make.
I know that a
bouldering
lot of
videos.
people have been saying these, but the thing is,
It doesn't
we
work for
literally
us.
tried both of our phones to try to connect to those, and it literally will not connect. Like, I just don't know why, because a lot of my friends can connect it so easily, and then I try with my phone, and it just
Mine
doesn't
too.
work.
Yeah, this one didn't work.
And
We
it's so
tried
annoying.
both.
We tried, like, maybe we'll try again. Because
Soon.
maybe we just, like, don't know
What we're doing? Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
But, like, it will just not light up the board.
Yeah.
You know? And
Yep.
it's annoying to, like, look at it and then, like, pick the
Try to
holes.
remember and yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So that's that. But yeah.
But yeah, I guess for now, what we're gonna do, similar video, just bouldering.
Easy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice. Oh my. Would you look at that, Beta?
Let's see your beta.
It ain't gonna be like yours.
Nice.
The amount of foot swap. Okay. Yay.
Okay.
Interesting. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yes, you got this. Nice. Good job. On site.
Jeez, that was hard. Wow. Okay. And slopers to finish it up. The start looks. This one's good. This one's real good.
Okay.
Full command. Nice. Jeez. Wow. Oh! Oh my god. Jeez, crazy.
I hit it a little bit low.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, I spent 10 minutes brushing it, which means you have to get it now.
No, don't worry. I got you. I got you.
Yeah, efficient. Nice. Oh, that was great. Yeah. Yep, yep. Nice. There we go. Oh my gosh. It was so smooth this time.
Okay. Yay!
Do you think the brushing helped?
Yeah, or maybe placebo, maybe both.
Yeah. Weird. Because you looked so comfortable that time.
Yeah.
So strange.
That was good.
Yeah.
I had the data down better too.
Yeah. Yeah, solid.
Yay, okay, now we're gonna do a really hard one. We're gonna both do the same route because we haven't done that in a bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool. Let's get to it. So the thing we were gonna try is pink. You know.
Yeah.
Looks hard.
Yeah. What is this?
Yeah, it's like a pinchy
It's
crimp
okay,
thing,
I
and
guess.
it just goes on the roof, just like this.
See, I'm excited because that looks like a toe hook.
It does.
And then you just get to like toe hook, like if
Yeah.
I get to there.
Yeah. I'm gonna try my best to not use that.
No, but why would you do that?
There's a setter named John here. He sets like straight arm undercling moves. They kind of resemble deadlifts. He normally sets like super hard versions of them. And so there's one on here, see? You grab this and your foot is here. So you're doing like this type of thing.
And then you go all the way up there.
So
we have
call him
we have a
Johns.
sneaking feeling. The
Yeah,
setter.
He probably said this. Or he at least had some input on that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just
This
saw
one looks
straight
so
arm.
cool though. I'm so hyped.
Yeah, straight arm underclings. Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
I just dry fired a bit.
Okay, that makes me nervous actually.
There's a chance. Hard though.
Yeah, that looks bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Ooh. I think that was better.
A little better. Yeah, this move's hard.
I guess we're just gonna try or see what happens. That's so far.
It's tough. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, man, that's a hell of a start.
I
It's
know.
like this.
It's like there's like 2 other feet, but I don't see how that would really be useful. Because like the high foot seems like it's more on your arms, right?
Yeah,
And then that far foot is too far, I think.
I could try high foot. Maybe it's better. I don't know. Could try it out.
You could reach it better, but you have to pull, wouldn't you? I feel like you
Pull harder. maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know.
you can just see.
I think I do want to try to full, even though I risk dry firing.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
just chalk up.
Yeah.
Now we got this, because we've only tried like one time.
Gosh, yeah, this is.
So bad. I mean, we could play around with the feet placement, but I don't know.
They're going high foot.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh no, it's worse.
Yeah, because it seems more awkward that way.
Yeah, balled up a little bit.
Uh-huh.
And a bad ball.
Yeah, I mean, it might be less balled up for me.
Oh.
It's like you can kind of do it like this.
Yeah.
But I feel like when I do it, I have to like go slow because I can't like power.
Yeah.
So like my static goes to like here.
Right.
So
yeah.
I'm not really sure. Come on! Oh, that was so close. You can do it. That was really good. Oh my gosh! You got it! Wow! Did you come into this first undercling or no?
No, I just
Oh.
know.
Oh my gosh, you hit it though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, good
Next
job.
one is not easy either.
Yeah,
Huh. This is a really hard light tag.
yeah. Not the longer, stronger arms, bro. Personally.
Yeah, that was really good. You touched it. That was close.
That was better.
Yeah. There's a chance, right?
Yeah.
It's just very hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you got this, and technically, since we're a team,
So we're moving to the next.
on to the next
So we're now starting from this.
But you got it, so.
Yeah. Next move. So yeah, that looks right. Oh yeah, for sure, that's right. Yeah, very good.
Ooh.
Very nice. Yeah. Oh, wow. The John move.
How are you supposed to match that?
That is a John move if I've ever seen one.
But the good news is, that's way easier than the first. So,
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this part here,
That
we
part I'm
got
not
this
sure.
and this.
It's like I almost wanted to get the wave toe hook over there so I could come in the match.
Interesting, okay.
You should try that part.
Yeah, okay.
See what.
Do I want to do the beginning at all? Like what you did? Like
Like
the start? Like here? This part here? Or should I just
try it at least once.
try once? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, just like if you hit the undercling, then it makes it way better. Yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh, good job.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. That's better beta probably. Cause you had that and then
there.
bumped to that one and
Yeah.
came into that.
That was tough though.
Yeah, but I feel like what I did a stem between those two.
Yeah.
Did you not do that?
I don't know.
I think you
did.
kind of just went.
Just went, yeah. But she's the next one.
Yeah, well, you didn't get the toe hook over on this
Yeah,
one.
I just full John. Yeah.
Oh, that's a weird beta break he's gonna try.
I don't know. A lot of the time, my ideas don't pan out. But like this move, it looks possible.
From this hold to that hold,
Like,
but
it looks like I don't have to do any of that. You know?
I'll just try, I guess.
I don't know.
If that works, that would be,
That'd be crazy.
yeah.
So, I get into that. Just use this.
All right.
There's a chance. Small chance. Nice. This is hard. This is really hard. Really hard. Oh, nice. Strong Gaston. Wow. Yeah.
That could work.
Okay.
I have to like kick. All right.
Oh, wait. Actually.
Oh, match. Okay. You could hit it, but I don't know if you can stick that.
Yeah.
Because your feet are definitely coming off.
So hard.
Because imagine, like, you just have these two and then just feet everywhere
Well,
and you just
they're
hold.
like tilted like the wrong direction.
Yeah. But that was really good, though. That was
That's
good.
a lot on your hand, dude. There we go. Very nice. You even kept the stem too. Here we go. Pull and go. Oh, a little farther out. There you go. Oh my god. Okay, that is rough, right?
Yeah, that's rough.
Yeah. Have the stem, but you can't keep the stem.
I know, yeah.
So you're definitely going foot here, you know.
Right.
You can't keep the stem,
Yeah.
which is just hard. That's just tough.
Yeah.
We'll try it. Oh, that's far.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh gosh. I don't know, bro.
It's like the distance actually is not too much of the problem. Like I get there, but once you're there, you're just.
I know, yeah.
Huh.
But getting the toe hook first felt so awkward for me.
I mean, it's possible we're just not strong.
Yeah. I mean, that's always the case. But
You want to maybe just try like from here?
okay, let me
See what
try
happens?
just jumping just to feel how bad it is.
Like
What?
just cut and go. Just cut and go.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
I can't even commit because it's so far backwards.
Yeah, I know.
Because you're jumping like all the way over.
Yeah.
And it's such a small target.
Right. It's not a jug. Yeah.
I can't believe you even committed to that. That's scary.
It is. Yeah. You're fully upside down, right? It's just
No.
a roof move, right? Yeah.
Suddenly the toe hook beta is seeming a little more plausible.
Yeah. I mean, you try again.
Well, Paul's gonna try. Well, you say.
Yeah, I want to try with my hands crossed, and although no, looking at it from here, it's not a thing actually because
You're not gonna be able to get into that anyway.
plus
I don't think.
look at it from this angle. If I lock off on the small crimp, I'd have to actually reach backwards. See?
Yeah, oh, that's
I'd
true.
have to do this.
Which,
It's not.
I mean,
I could try.
yeah, I guess. Oh my, you twisted off that.
That felt a little easier. Okay, here we go. Pull. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's
I mean, maybe.
the tension, right? Really tough
But
on the
I
core.
do feel like I'm getting it too early. Because I think you're supposed to do some other stuff to get there and then hit that.
So it's either the crazy undercling move that I tried, right? Or it's the drop knee.
Yeah.
There's not too many other options.
I don't think it's the way I'm doing it.
It's not toe hook first.
I don't think so. Okay.
Alright, this feels okay.
Ooh.
Felt okay. It was like kind of close. Oh, wow, that stem dropped me. Like, this is me. You know, it's like, dropped me like crazy. Yeah.
More drop knee, probably. It's like it's still a lot of lock, to be honest.
It is. It
And
is.
I need heavier drop knee. I was like this far from it.
Yeah. How'd that
I
feel?
don't think I can do it like that.
I think you do have to pull super hard with your left hand.
And I can't pull that hard. Not as hard as you.
I was close, but I wasn't. I don't know. I didn't hit it really, so I don't know how close I actually was. You know.
Couldn't do it. Oh, not the jump onto the crimp.
It's close. I hit it like this. If I had
Okay.
I may have had that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Come on. Oh, that's looking good. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, I hit that, but actually, like, if anything, it almost feels like it pulls me
That other way.
the other direction. Because it's like, I don't have my hands facing this way.
Yeah.
They're like this.
Right.
So it just, my center of gravity, I feel like, is not in the right spot.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, you did get it.
Okay.
Oh, that was so awesome.
Yeah. I'm like really feeling it on my hand though.
Yeah.
I'm quite tired, I think. So I better probably like not do that anymore now.
Yeah,
But
and
the problem is like so that hold, I like can't reach it with my hands curled. I reach it like this.
it's
I'm,
so
like,
far, right?
3-finger dragging like so much weight.
Yeah.
It's just
Uh-huh.
so
And let's just think about like how that means there's zero chance for me doing it.
it's very hard.
Because and I tried other beta with the toe hook, but the toe hook is for after you hit what he did. Then I think you get the
Then
toe
you
hook because like
do
you
the
couldn't
toe hook.
match your foot on that hand.
No, I tried.
So I think you get the toe hook, then you come like I don't know,
Yeah,
but like damn, this route ended up being way more difficult than it appeared.
it looked like a 6-7-ish type of deal, but I don't-
It felt 8-ish because like
yeah.
all the moves were really hard, even though the crimps were actually like decent.
Holds are good.
And the feet are good too.
Everything is good except
But
they're,
then like the actual movement is like extremely difficult.
which is actually kind of fun to be honest.
Yeah, I like that too. And like the beta was definitely tricky. So
No, it ended up being the drop knee.
yeah. Yeah. No, super cool route though. We did really well. You did really well.
Do you want to do like just a cool down, quick finish route, and then we'll call it?
Okay.
Route is blue.
Not 3 things me.
Let's just show them quick. It's just like a jug route, but for some reason, it's rated hard. Wow. Oh no. Come on, come on. Just get it, just get it, just get it, just get it. Good job. Oh god, I thought you were gonna fall.
I thought I was gonna fall, bro. Alright, clutch, clutch.
Okay. So, that's the end, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next week.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us what you thought of Pink.
Pink is crazy, man.
And if you have any beta ideas.
Yeah, as always.
I'm pretty sure we tried everything, but like.
Usually you guys got something for
Yeah.
us. So, yeah, alright.
See you next week.
See you next week.